Hi guys, welcome to our class. And today's is remember that we put first the day of the week. Today is Monday. The month is December. No, I don't think so. It's November. It's still November. The day it's 31 and the year 2020. So today is Monday, November 31st, year 2020. Okay, today we're only going to see the vocabulary for tomorrow's class. In this week we're going to see the rainforest plants. Rainforest is the habitat let's learn about it. The environment, it's very warm, it's not too hot and it's not cold, it's warm and it's humid. It has a lot of water, it feels humid. It's like Ensenada when there is a breeze, la brisa, something like that. Well, first we're going to see this amazing tree. Can you see it? Wow, it's beautiful. It's one of my favorites, the Tua Lang. They are from Asia. They grow over 80 meters. And they are the tallest of all rainforest trees. That's why it's my favorite. The Tua Lang. It's the tallest tree in the rainforest. Orchids. This is very common. There are many types of rainforest orchids. This is the common one. Many rainforest orchids grow on other plants. They don't have they raíces. Sorry, I forgot the word. Las raíces. They don't have their own. They depend of the other plant. For example, a tree. These are orchids. These are very weird. I like these ones too. These are the Amazon. These are called. The name of this one is Amazon water lily. It's like a platform, something like that. It's very funny. It's an aquatic plant that grows in the lakes and rivers of South American rainforest. It's only here in the South America. It can be up 3 meters. It's bigger. It's bigger than this. These are like 2 meters. So it's at another one. It's big. It's huge. Maybe I can stand. No, I don't think. Okay. These are the Amazon water lily. The bougainvillea. These are very common too. Are native to South America. These are pretty. Are like pink. And the crazy of this flower is that the los pétalos are like leaves. Son como hojas. That's kind of weird, right? This is very strange. The corpse flower is the biggest flower in the world. It looks like something, the one of Mario Bros. The one that eats you, that came out of the palm of del tubo, and yeah, it's the biggest flower in the world. It can reach 1 meter, and the scent attracts the flies which will pollinate the flower. The scent I read that it smells good for certain people, but most commonly it smells bad. It smells like fuchi caca. No. Yeah. The heliconia. Wow, this is interesting. It's like spines, son como espinas. Found in the rainforest of Americas. They grow on the forest floor. Oh. They are also called lobster claws. Lobster claws. Wow. They are pretty. Oh, I like that. Okay. Heliconia. Okay, now what we are going to do is to make a draw about the plants that we saw. So you are going to make a draw of a tualang tree, one of orchids, one of the Amazon water lily, one of the bougainvillea, one of the corpse flower, and one for the heliconia. Okay, so and I think that's it. Thank you for watching the video and see you soon. Have a great day.